everyone. Now, today we are going to see our next topic, causes of failure of earth dam. So, in our irrigation engineering, in our fifth chapter, storage work, our next topic is cause of failure of earth dam. Now, before we going to see our next topic, in a previous video, we saw that introduction about chapter, classification of dam, then factor governing selection of type of dam, selection of site for a dam, so then type of earthen dam. So first of all, what is introduction about this chapter? It is, our chapter name is storage work, so it is a dam. A dam is a hydraulic structure constructed across a river on a natural stream to create a reservoir for impounding water. The water stored in a reservoir is used for various purposes such as irrigation, municipal and industrial supply, hydropower generation, recreation, flood control. Due to construction of dam, water level in the river as its upstream side is very much increased and a large area may be submerged depending upon the water spread of the reservoir so formed. A distinction should be made between the dam and a weir. A weir is also a structure built across a river. However, its purpose is not to store water but to divert it. Thus, there is no reservoir on the upstream of the weir. If there is a small storage reservoir on its upstream, the weir is called storage weir. Now, classification dam. So, according to use, there are storage dam like gravity dam, earthen dam, rockfill dam, arch dam. Then diversion dam, it is weir and barrage. Detention dam, it is debris dam. Now, classification according to hydraulic design. So, it is overflow dam and non-overflow dam. In non-overflow dam, it is gravity dam, earthen dam and rockfill dam. Classification according to material. According to material, dam are classified as rigid dam and non-rigid dam. In a rigid dam, it is concrete gravity dam and solid masonry dam, arch dam, steel dam, timber dam. Non-rigid dam, so it is earth dam and rockfill dam. Dam classification according to structural behavior. So based on a structural behavior, dam are classified as gravity dam, arch dam, buttress dam, earthen dam and rockfill dam. Then factor governing selection of type of dam. The various factors which affect the choice of the type of dam are topography, geology and foundation conditions, availability of construction material, spillway size and location, roadway, length and height of dam, life of dam, earthquake zone and cost. Then selection of site for a dam. The selection of suitable site for a dam depend upon following factor: suitable foundation, topography, site for spillway, construction material, reservoir and catchment area, communication, locality and cost. Now, types of earth dam. So there are three types of dam: roll fill dam, hydraulic fill dam, semi hydraulic fill dam. So in a roll fill earth dam, they can be further divided into following types. It is homogeneous embankment, zonal embankment, diaphragm embankment type. Now next is component of earth dam and their function. So the main component of earth dam are impermeable core, pervious shell, filter, rock toe, upstream slope protection, downstream slope protection and cutoff. Now causes of failure of earthen dam, our most important topic, and next topic is causes of failure of earthen dam. So earth dam failure are mainly caused by improper design, lack of thorough investigation and adequate care in construction and poor maintenance. ठीक है, किसी भी अर्थ डैम स्ट्रक्चर होगा वो फेल कैसे होगा, सो ड्यू टू इम्प्रॉपर डिज़ाइन प्रॉपर नहीं होगी, देन lack of through investigation, lack of some investigation, then inadequate केयर अच्छी तरह नहीं की गई होगी, एंड इन कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड प्रॉपर मेंटेनेंस नहीं होगा एट द टाइम अर्थ डैम फेलियर होगा. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशंस report on most of the past failure, the various causes of failure can be grouped into 3 category. ठीक है, इन पास्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन, ठीक है, कि पास में जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया गया है अट्ठन डैम का, तो उसके हिसाब से जो मेनली जो डैम फेलियर होगा वो किसके हिसाब से होगा. तो फर्स्ट इज हाइड्रोलिक फेलियर, 40% चांसेस ऑफ हाइड्रोलिक फेलियर. देन सीपेज फेलियर, इट इज़ 30%, एंड स्ट्रक्चरल फेलियर इज 30%. So 3 failure of Atthan Dam. First is hydraulic failure, second seepage failure, third structural failure. Now first is hydraulic failure. The hydraulic failure may occur due to one or more the following reason. जो hydraulic failure होगा वो किसके हिसाब से होगा, due to one or more following reason. तो वो कौन कौन से reason है. तो first is overtopping, erosion of upstream slope by waves, erosion of downstream slope by wind and rain, erosion of downstream tow and thrust action. ठीक है, these are the reason for the hydraulic failure of the dam. Now first is overtopping. Overtopping of the earth dam occur if the design flood is underestimated, spillway capacity is not adequate, spillway gate are not properly operated, free board is not sufficient, excessive settlement of the foundation and dam. ठीक है, ओवरटॉपिंग कैसे होगा, जो डिज़ाइन फ्लड होगा वो अंडर एस्टिमेटेड होगा, स्पिलवे कैपेसिटी इज़ नॉट एडेक्वेट, एडेक्वेट स्पिलवे कैपेसिटी नहीं होगी, स्पिलवे गेट आर नॉट प्रॉपरली ऑपरेटेड, फ्री बोर्ड इज़ नॉट सफिशियंट, and excessive settlement of the foundation and dam. Now second, erosion of upstream slope by wave. The wave develop near the top water surface due to the wind try to notch out the soil from the upstream face and may even sometimes cause of slip of the upstream slope. Upstream stone pitching or ripped souped therefore be provided to avoid such failure. So here a figure is given, roller action and upstream slip. Now erosion of downstream slope by wind and rain. So in the absence of a proper slope protection, the downstream slope of an earth dam may get eroded due to the rain or high wind. The rainwater flowing down the slope may result in the formation of gullies on the downstream slope and thus damaging the dam, which may generally lead to partial safety of the dam, or in some cases it may cause complete failure of the dam. Now this can be avoided by proper maintenance, filling the cutoff from time to time during rainy season, by grazing the downstream slope and by providing proper berm at a suitable height so that water has not to flow for considerable distance. ठीक है, सो इसकी वजह से इरोजन ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम स्लोप विंड और रेन की वजह से होगा एंड डैम का फेलियर होगा. नाउ इरोजन ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम टो. तो टो इरोजन may occur due to 2 reasons. First is erosion due to tailwater, erosion due to cross current that may come from spillway bucket. The toe erosion can be avoided by providing downstream slope pitching or a riprap up to the height just above the normal tailwater depth. ठीक है, जो टो इरोजन होगा वो किसे अवॉइड करेंगे, जो डाउनस्ट्रीम स्लोप है उसमें हम क्या प्रोवाइड करेंगे, पिचिंग और रिप्रैप. तो उसकी वजह से वो इरोजन को हम रोक सकते हैं, अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. साइड वॉल ऑफ द स्पिलवे मस्ट बी sufficient height and length so as to prevent the possibility of cross current towards the earthen embankment. ठीक है, height and length of the wall of स्पिलवे की जो हाइट और लेंथ होगी वो सफिशिएंट हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे। एट द टाइम जो क्रॉस करंट आएगा अर्थन एम्बैंकमेंट के, तो उसे हम रोक सकते हैं। देन फर्स्ट एक्शन, if the earth dam is located at the place where the temperature falls below the freezing point, frost may from the pores of the soil in the earth dam. When there is a having the crack may be from the in the soil, this may lead to the dangerous seepage and consequent failure. Now seepage failure. सीपेज फेलियर कैसे होगा? तो सीपेज फेलियर में अकर ड्यू टू द फॉलोइंग कॉजेज। तो फर्स्ट इज पाइपिंग थ्रू द फाउंडेशन, पाइपिंग थ्रू द डैम, स्लाउजिंग ऑफ द डाउनस्ट्रीम टो। तो फर्स्ट इज पाइपिंग थ्रू द फाउंडेशन। व्हेन हाईली परमिएबल कैविटीज और फीचर्स और स्ट्रेटा ऑफ अ कोर्स सैंड और अ ग्रेवल आर प्रेजेंट इन द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द डैम, वाटर में स्टार्ट सीपिंग एट अ ह्यूज रेट थ्रू दी डैम। ठीक है, कि जो फाउंडेशन है, बॉटम ऑफ द फाउंडेशन परमिएबल सॉइल होगी, एट दैट टाइम जो वाटर होगा वो परमिएबल सॉइल में से सीप होगा। एट दैट टाइम इरोजन होगा, सॉइल इरोजन होगा, उसकी वजह से फाउंडेशन ब्रेक हो सकता है। ठीक है, तो व्हेन हाईली परमिएबल कैविटी और फीचर्स और स्ट्रेटा ऑफ कोर्स सैंड और ग्रेवल आर प्रेजेंट इन द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द डैम, water may start seeping at a huge rate through dam. The concentrated flow at a high gradient may erode the soil. This leads to increased flow of water and soil, ultimately resulting in a rush of water and soil, thereby creating hollow below the foundation. The dam may sink into the hollow so form, causing its failure. So here figure is given, earthen dam. Then foundation material goes out, creating hollow below the dam, pervious foundation. Piping through the dam. So piping is the progressive backward erosion which may be caused through the earth dam or its foundation by the water seeping through the dam or its foundation. It begins at a point where the water seeping through the dam emerges on a downstream side of the dam. So piping in the dam may occur due to the following causes: poor construction control, dam is not properly compacted, poor bond between the successive layer of the embankment or between the embankment material and the foundation, burrowing animal like crocodile or a muskrat may dig hole into the dam, presence of roots, pockets of gravel and boulder in the dam, differential settlement, crack may develop in the dam due to differential settlement in the foundation of the dam, soluble salts, if there are soluble salt in the soil, they get leaked out, due to which hollow are created in the soil and which may lead to the failure. ठीक है, so दिस इज द कॉजेज ऑफ फेलियर ऑफ द earthen डैम। ठीक है, तो कौन कौन से हो गए फेलियर? सो earthen डैम फेलियर आर मेनली caused by improper design, lack of through investigations, inadequate care in construction and poor maintenance. On the basis of investigation report and most of the past failure, the various causes of failure can be grouped into three categories: hydraulic failure, seepage failure and structural failure. Hydraulic failure occur around 40%, seepage failure occur around 30% and structural failure occur about 30%. So most important here is causes of failure of earthen dam. hydraulic failure कैसे होगा? सो द हाइड्रोलिक फेलियर में अकर ड्यू टू वन और मोर फॉलोइंग रीजन। तो कौन कौन से है? ओवरटॉपिंग, इरोजन ऑफ अपस्ट्रीम स्लोप बाय वेव्स, इरोजन ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम बाय विंड एंड रेन, इरोजन ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम टो एंड फ्रस्ट एक्शन।